In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send personalized emails with Zapier. This is a powerful way to automate your workflow and ensure that your emails are both timely and relevant. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Zapier's website. It's quite straightforward to navigate, and the first thing you want to do is click on Login, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. Once you've done that, go ahead and log in using your Google account. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, you can easily create one by signing up, but for today we're assuming you're already set up. Now that you're logged in, make your way to the homepage of Zapier. You should see a dashboard that lays out all the options for what you can do next. On this page, locate the Create button and click on it. This is where creating your automated workflow, or Zap as they call it, begins. After clicking on Create, you'll want to select Zaps. This is the bread and butter of Zapier and outlines how different web applications talk to each other through automation. Next, let's set up our trigger, the event that starts your Zap. Find and click on Trigger. Now in the search bar, type Typeform. This makes sense if you're gathering user input via forms. After typing, select Typeform from the list. Once you click on it, you will be prompted to choose an event. For today's task, go ahead and click on New Entry. This means whenever there's a new entry in your Typeform, it's going to trigger the automation. After that, you're going to need to sign in to your Typeform account if you haven't already. Follow the prompts on screen and ensure you connect the correct account. Once connected, it's a good idea to click Test to make sure everything is working as expected with your trigger setup. Moving on to the action part of the Zap, click on the Action button. Here you'll select Microsoft Outlook as we intend to send an email through this service. Then choose the event that corresponds to sending an email, which in this case is Send Email. Ensure you are signed in to the correct Outlook account and hit Continue to proceed. Test the action, similar to how you tested your trigger, to be confident that the email sends as planned. Finally, when everything is in place and tests have been successfully passed, click on Publish. Now your Zap is active and ready to automatically send personalized emails whenever a trigger event occurs. And there you have it, a seamless way to send personalized emails using Zapier in just a few minutes. These automations can save you time and effort in your daily tasks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on enhancing productivity and efficiency.